So we have here a toddler workbench. What do you think, bud? You like it? Do you want to use some tools?
Yeah.
So what I love about this is, it's great for fine motor skills. My son likes to be like dad and play with tools. And it just teaches hand-eye coordination. You love it? Yeah?
So funny.
You gotta do some other stuff. So it comes with all kinds of gadgets, tools, and all the hardware. So they can use all kinds of different tools. Can you flip it over and show them where you put all your tools? Yeah. So it's also keeps all the tools. It's a little carrying toolbox, right?
You bet. I got to put the toolbox.
Like the hammer better.
Okay.
So I love it because it also doubles in as a toolbox and to consolidate a mess. Love that.